Hey, I'm Brennan Hatton, Developer Ambassador.
And I'm Raymond, CTO of Meta. And so today we actually have a booth at AWE, and we're showcasing our latest Meta 1 dev kit to the public. And you can see today we actually have a demo, and people can use gesture to hold on to holograms. And Brennan here actually been doing this for the last 2 days. And you want to introduce what's happening here more?
Yeah, so we're projecting holograms into the real world that you can pick up and move around with your hands. And for the last 2 days, we've had a bunch of companies come into our office and actually build applications in just 48 hours. The first day we train them how to use it, the second day we sit down and help them flesh it out and build the full application. And we've had a few of those demos been showing off lately.
Yep. So Meta, we're the first augmented reality eyeglasses using gesture input. So today you can see the eyeglasses, you have the depth sensor, RGB camera, all kind of sensors that allow people to build applications that they cannot in the past. And that's why it's exciting, because as you see, like, people actually engaging into environment that you've never seen, and it's see-through. It's not like other VR systems. This you're allowed to interact with the real world. So that's what makes Meta special today.
Yeah, so we're projecting holograms into the real world with a completely see-through display.
Yeah.
So she can see us right now, like we can see her, we can make eye contact, but we have holograms floating in front of us that we can pick up with our hands, hold and see our hand and see them in our hand.
So for the workshop, you want to tell us like what happened in the workshop, like what application we built?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've been building a bunch of different applications in our 48-hour workshops that have been leading on to the development of more applications at a longer term.
So what application exactly?
So we're doing augmented reality medical simulation. So medical simulation with a projection of a dummy that you can test out and replace $500,000 hardware with just an augmented reality floating human being that you can test on. We also do communication software where we project a map onto a table and use the map to communicate whereabouts you want to do different zoning. And we have companies that are building emergency medical technician software for first responders, so they can have all their instructions laid out in front of them and they can see where on the dummy and who the person is that they're interacting with. And
yep, so well, all this based on our technology. We have service tracking, so we actually can look at the scene and pick up information from, let's say, the table, the chair, and we can put information on it. And with the gesture and then the 3D hologram input, that complete a system that most people have never seen and surprised them. And this is Meta. Well, thank you for your time.